Now, how do I open those latches again? I know this one, but how do I open the other one? Oh, thank you. Hi, Daisy. Hello. I know how to open the one. Help me with the other. Where's the other one? Oh, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Stretch. Hello. Kisses. Pretty girl. Oh, I forget now. I know the top part of the latch, but where's that other part? How do I do that? Oh, thank you. Good job. Okay, where's the other one? Oh, thank you. Hello. Hi. Okay, I know how to open the top one, but I always forget. Oh, there we go. Wow. Hi, Daisy. Hello. You want to come out? I don't know how to open your crate. How do I? Oh, thank you. Hi, Daisy. You want to go outside? Help me. I don't know how to open this. Thank you. Daisy, should we go outside for a little bit? You and me, not Joe. Just you and me. Daisy, I'm talking to you, not Daddy. No, Daisy, lookies. Should we go outside? I'd have to let you out of your crate first, and I don't know how to open it. I only remember the top one. The one, I don't know where the other one is. Oh, are you going to show me with your paw? Oh, your nose. Oh. Look out, Joe. Here she comes. Hey. How you doing? You want to go? You want to come out? Hi. You want to come out? Oh, there we go. Halfway. Oh. Is that how I do it down here? Oh, thank you. You want to come out, play? Okay, here's the one latch. Yeah. Where's that other one? Where is it again? Where's that other latch, Daisy? Huh? Where? The other one. Where's that other latch? Okay, show me. Oh, thank you. Okay. Hi, Daisy. Hello. You want to come out? Oh, thank you. Hey. Hi, Keith. Hi, girl. Chic. Wait, what do I do now? Wait, remind me again. Oh, thanks. Hi, Daisy. Hello. You want to come outside? How do I open that other latch again now? How do I do that? Oh, thank you. I forgot.